Welcome to the Vegan Spice. My name is Joseph, 100% plant-based and 100% vegan. What are we doing today, guys? We are making homemade almond milk. Why? Because I don't want any natural flavors, thickening agents, xanthan gums, extra stuff in my coffee this morning. Not only that, we have a company right here based in Utah, started in 1958 with a mineral analysis online with over 60 trace minerals in a quarter of a teaspoon. That company was meant to dig underground. My name is Joseph. Welcome to the Vegan Spice. Let's get it now. Alright guys, let me go ahead and run down some stuff with you real quick before I go ahead and make this homemade almond milk. So, I have a bowl and I have a nut milk bag. This is how I'm going to be straining it today. Most times I use this right here, which is a strainer. But today I'm going to be using a nut milk bag. I have several right here behind me. You can buy 2 of them for like 10 bucks online. These almonds right here, about 1.5 cups, have been soaked overnight. Why do I soak them? To decrease, not get rid of, but to decrease the phytic acid in that particular food, guys. What is phytic acid? It does have a little bit of benefits, but the negatives outweigh the good. Phytic acid is an anti-nutrient. It pulls minerals from the body, guys, if you have too much. That's why you soak them overnight, okay? I do have the Redmond Real Salt, okay? So these have been soaking. So I have that right there, and they have been rinsed. It's about 1.5 cups. Now, depending on how thick or thin you want your milk is going to depend on the water you use. So that's about halfway up. I want a little bit more, okay? That's what I'm looking for right there. Now, this is where the interesting part comes in, all right? You can go ahead and customize this any way you want. So, 1/4 teaspoon, right, for the trace minerals. Beautiful. Not only that, but you can go ahead and add in a little bit of sweetener of some really good maple syrup. And we're only going to do just a little bit, guys, all right? Just to give it that little bit of sweetness, all right? Put the top on right there like that. Hit start. All right, guys, about 3 minutes in the blender. If you have a Vitamix or a high-speed expensive blender, maybe a little bit less, okay? So, go ahead and put the top down. Remember the nut milk bag, right? You can buy several, like I stated online. Some are larger, some are smaller, but for the most part, they do the same job, guys, okay? If you look at my other videos, I have the coconut milk. I make my own milks, guys. So go ahead and take it like that. Make sure you don't make a mess, and pour it right into that nut milk bag. That is it. That's how simple it is. Take the string that it comes with right there. Look at that. Homemade almond milk coming right at you guys from the spice. So what I like to do is pull the string a little bit, and I like to go ahead and twist it, okay? Keep twisting it and twisting it and twisting it. And as you can see, look at that. Homemade almond milk, guys. I can already smell that. The little hint of the maple syrup, the salt from Redmond right over there, and we're good to go. I cannot wait to taste my coffee, guys. So twist it a little bit more, okay? Just keep going, guys, until you really can't get any more out. It's a nice little workout. Keep twisting it and twisting it. In some of my videos, I use a strainer also. That works very well too. I think that is about it, guys. Now the pulp in here is completely dry. You can use it to make your own burgers, put it on salads, or whatever the case may be. You can go ahead and utilize it however you want. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this up close and personal to you, and let's go ahead and check this almond milk out. Look at that. See how it coats the sides like that? That's how thick it is. This stuff right here is gold. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and grab this right here with this. This is a funnel. This is a ball jar funnel. It fits sizes like this. It fits like this. It fits behind me over here to these big ones, okay? It makes the circumference of the area larger so you don't make a mess. Sure, I can go ahead and pour that in there like that. But look at that. You can get those for like $3 online. Beautiful! That right there, oh my gosh. Awesome. Not only that, I'm going to pour a little bit right there, right in my coffee, guys. Wow. Take the top off like that. Put that over there. Clean the stuff up later. Taste my coffee. Hold on. Beautiful. A little bit of the salt hint. A little bit of the maple syrup. Homemade almond milk coming to you with red and real salt. My name is Joseph. Thank you for watching. Until next time, guys, be safe, be well. The most important, be yourself. Later, guys.